Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, a channel where we teach people how to be financially independent, making money online. Alright, today I'm going to be sharing with you how simple ways you can become a customer care representative and work from the comfort of your home worldwide. This is applicable worldwide, and you will earn within the range of $5 to as much as you can work online, and this is from the comfort of your home. Now you require some skills to do this. You require a certification to do this. Now I'm going to be showing you a few websites where you would get certified free. You don't have to pay a kobo, you don't have to pay a dime, you don't have to pay a cent to get certified. You're going to get certified very quick with this strategy I'm going to show you. There are websites many people don't know. I'm going to show you how you do this. Alright guys, one thing I want you to do for me to support this video and also to support yourself is to hit the subscribe button. Now why I want you to also hit the subscribe button is because we're working on an in-house mentorship program where myself and a couple of my friends in this online space will be tutoring and mentoring a couple of people. Now we're going to be picking people randomly. Alright, now the criteria for picking you is simple. Hit on the subscribe button, alright, drop a comment in the comment section, like this video and share it. This is what you need to do. We're going to be picking randomly amongst people who do this, and then you join the masterclass. Alright, very quickly, let's go straight right in. Alright guys, so here we are. Like I said earlier, I would be showing you websites where you would get this certification. Now the whole essence of becoming a customer care representative, especially when you want to work from home, is so that you can get comfort and make money from the comfort of your home. Now, as a customer care representative, it is very important to get trained. It is very important to get schooled and understand how this works. And one other thing why it is very important that you get schooled is because this schooling enables you getting a certification, and these certifications oftentimes gives you an edge in your job search. It gives you an edge when you are trying to apply for certain jobs. As a matter of fact, certain companies would not really say it, but oftentimes when you tender your application, that once they notice that you are not certified anyway, regardless of how good you are, how proficient you are, they're not going to take you. So certification is very important. Alright guys, so first website I want to show you is Allison.com. So all you have to do is to come here on Allison.com and look what they have to say. Developing a customer care culture. See, if you want to build a better customer centric culture in your company and keep your consumers happy, this free, emphasis on free, this free online course is for you. You will grab the significance of team culture and discover how it influences business. We also examine the different variables that drives a team's culture and demonstrate how to adjust and establish a customer-centric culture utilizing a 3-step method with practical case studies and examples. Enroll today. So all you have to do is to click on start and you're in. The next website I will be showing you is edap.com. edap.com. So you come on edap.com, sign up, and then you register and you get trained. Look what there are 20 free customer service training courses. Alright, next website I want to be showing you is bolc.co.uk. bolc.co.uk. Alright, see, free online customer service training. Discover what it means to provide truly outstanding customer service along with the value of customer excellence to the modern business. So you just go on, and then once you're ready, you come and start your free course here. See, it's clearly written, start your free course. The name of this website is one more time, bolc.co.uk. bolc.co.uk. Alright, next website I want to be showing you is very important, and for me this is the best website. This is the best. It's LinkedIn. So you see, learning, build your skill in customer service, and all you have to do is to come here and learn on LinkedIn. Now so many people on social media are just chilling every day, but you could actually take these courses, get certified, and I'm going to be showing you also where you would apply for jobs using this certificate. The next website I want to be showing you is Coursera. Now I know I said LinkedIn is the best. It's because it is it's a very renowned brand and renowned company. One other thing is Coursera. Coursera is one of the best. I cannot say how many certifications I've gotten from Coursera. Oftentimes when you tell people that you make money online, sometimes they just think that it is just a cliche. All right, there's a lot of work going into making money online. It is no hard work, and that's why I keep telling people that if you think making money online is a get rich quick scheme, then you are joking. You're really joking. You're really joking. So I'm not saying you won't make money. I'm just saying that you have to change your mindset. All right, back to our conversation. Coursera. So all you have to do is to come on Coursera, and you see, you just click on customer service, and it will bring you here. So you click on the course. Okay, my internet is not loading at the moment. Okay, yeah. So when you click on it, it's gonna bring you to this website, to this site. So you see customer service fundamental. About this course, there are a growing number of exciting, well-paying jobs in today's tech industry that do not require a traditional college degree. And one of the hottest areas with high demand is in the IT customer service and support. Customer service is the perfect entry point to start your career in IT. Remember, as a customer care representative, you are an IT, you are in the IT already. With a multitude of job openings ranging from on-site or remote, guess why I said remote, help desk work to customer care or client support, we can help you get there with the customer service fundamental. So this is the course. Look at what you will learn. Skills you will learn: process management, communication, problem solving, IT support, IT customer support. So now, many people have actually complained from my previous videos I've sent that they can't register for customer care. Now, if you are in a third world country or Africa specifically, there is a free, you can learn this course for free. All you have to do is to click on financial aid. Now, it is not very bold, so people don't know. Some people go ahead and enroll now and pay a lot of money, tons of money. But all you have to do is to come here and click on financial aid. Boom, you're in and you register and you get trained. Now, if you after you've gotten the certification, what do you do with it? Of course, you didn't get the certification so that you drop it in your room, right? Or in your cupboard or in your file, wherever. You got the certification so that you make money. Now, I'm going to be recommending two websites. The first I'm going to recommend, of course, is Fiverr. So you come on Fiverr and you click on customer care, and you see a lot of people making money. Look what this person is saying. He says, I will manage your online customer care support service, and this person is starting at $10 per hour. Very beautiful. This lady is saying, I will customer service representative Yari for $10. There are so many. You can go on and on and on. So all you have to do is to come on Fiverr. After you've gotten your certification, you can do 2, you can do 3, depending on how serious you are. And then when you come on Fiverr, you register, join, you click on join, register, sign up, and then hit up a gig, which is customer care representative. And then when you're putting your certification, you can add the certification you just got. The next website I want to be showing you is Upwork. So you see, medical customer service representative. This lady earns $5 per hour. This is customer service PRO, virtual assistants and medical biller. All he makes $8 per hour. So these are jobs people do. This is customer service, $15 per hour. The more you do it, the more reviews you get, the more you get paid. It's as simple as that, guys. So if you like this video, please hit on the subscribe button.
Now, I feel like one of the things that holds people back oftentimes is lack of information. Like I always say, what really holds people down from becoming financially independent is not really determination. A lot of people are more determined than myself. A lot of people are more determined than people out there. But what really deter them and hold them back is sometimes lack of information, and not just information, lack of the right information. Now, I'm sure you've watched this video up until this point. What I want you to do for me is this: don't just watch this video, act on it. Now, I am not just like every other YouTuber out there who would just share things with you and then as long as they get the views, they are alright. No, I want testimonies. I want your story. I want you to come to the comment section and say, oh, I learned from this course and I was able to land a job. I was able to change my finance positively. Alright guys, so don't just watch this video, implement, go take the courses, pass and apply for these jobs. You will get them. You will get them. I can assure you of that. You will get them. Thank you for watching this video.